Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald on the application of Chase app. If we go to settings, in this page, if we go to apps, default apps, app settings, when above you search about Chase app, here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us.